The Phantom 4 Pro, the Mavic Mini and the Mavic 2 Pro. We're gonna do a sound test and guess which one is louder. Let's go inside. Hello guys and welcome again. You know that we're not the most scientific channel on this platform, but today we're gonna do a sound test on these three magnificent DJI drones, and we do not really care about the exact noise level of those three. We do care about knowing which one is louder. So no more talking, let's now finally do this test. We've done this video, guys, for you because you've been asking about this specific 3 drone sound level test, noising stuff. So we decided to do this. I don't know if you're surprised by the results. There is a surprise, so I don't want to judge it. Just let me know in the comments what you thought about this test and the outcome of the test, of course. Nothing really else to say, guys. Always remember to keep calm and talk to you easy.